Out of 700 feet, we're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
David Robb's Wildman Cherokee COVID-19 rocket going up on a K456 to 4,000 feet. At I2, we have continuity going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, that red rocket on pad I2 is David Robb's Madcow trifecta?
Trinity.
Called Choas. It is going up on a center J800 and then air starting 3 G138. So that's kind of cool. It's surrounded a central core motor and then surrounded by 3 other motors around it. But those 3 motors are not going to light at liftoff. They're going to light in the air. So, David, good luck. Cross your fingers. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Alright, we got David Robb. He's flying a Wildman kit on a K456 dark matter. It's 12 pounds, looking at 4,000 feet. Yeah, I think people will want to watch this, so watch it. It'll be a cool motor. Alright, and David's going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're going to move on to pad I2. David Robb's got a Madcow SubLime. It's that green rocket there, big, long, fat And on a K456 dark matter, we have continuity. David Robb's going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was cool.
We're going out to the big pad. I don't even know what pad that is. Somebody tell me.
What pad is it?
Yeah.
K1.
Yo, what pad is it?
K1.
K1.
Oh, K1, yeah.
Okay, we're going out to David Robb. It's a Wildman AGM 33. A 40-pound rocket on an L13
65.
65 something. White, maybe?
Metal Storm.
Metal Storm.
Oh, yeah.
Why don't you just come up here and announce your own rocket, for crying out loud? Dual deploy, main coming out at 700 feet. We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that. Okay, we're going to close the range, and we're going out to Dave Robb's Madcow Nike Apache again, out at K1. Again, this is a two-stage J800 to J480. Both Blue Thunders, it looks like. So K1 have continuity, I think. David, we're going in 5, 4. David, are you ready?
Ready.
Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.